A very cool morning in this hot summer. A very good morning from Darpan sir. Yes, again continuing with one of the main subject, accountancy. बच्चे लोग, we started our chapter with meaning given by AICPA, American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. And then we continued our remaining portion with one of the important matter, terminology. If you remember, we started with transaction. Okay? We started with transaction. Economic transaction, non-economic transaction, business transaction, non-business transaction, all we did. Then what we did? Capital. What we understand in that? Honor and business. Whenever honor invest money, goods, services or assets from his own into business, monetary value of such investment is known as capital. And if you remember, we did some particular offer. We grabbed the opportunity, buy one, get one free. So if you understand capital properly, that from honor to business, we can reverse it from business to honor, and that is drawings. Now try to understand what of this. Capital means whenever honor invest anything in the business like goods, money, assets, services, honor to business, known as capital. But if business assets, business goods, business money, business services used by honor for personal purpose, that particular monetary value is known as drawings. Okay? So we discussed three terminologies at that time. Okay? Is there any problem? Is there any issue in that? I'm sure you will not have anything. Clear? Good. Now, another one very important, liabilities. What do we mean by liabilities? In simple, normal word, we used to say jawabdari. In simple sense, I used to say to all my students, all my bacche log, dear students, that you should never be a liability of your parents, but always be an asset of your parents. Asset means milkat. We will discuss afterwards, after this particular topic, we will discuss assets also. But let me give you a little bit idea. Liability means obviously which we have to pay in future. It's a burden. Asset means such an investment from where we can earn in future, in short term as well as long term. Such an investment where we can earn in future, that is asset. Liability means jawabdari. Today in this session, first we are focusing on liabilities. Now before we, just go through the classification and then we'll discuss what is liability, this too, and individual. Liabilities can classify into two parts, on the basis of relation and on the basis of time period. Relation. It is internal liabilities and external liabilities. On the basis of time frame, it's current liability and non-current liability. This current liability, also known as short-term liability. This is also known as long-term liability. Okay? So if anyone asks short-term, it is current, long-term, it is non-current. Clear? Non-current is also known as fixed liability. But nowadays, that word we are not using frequently. Now let's understand what is liability first. If you understand liabilities, then we can easily understand these things. In textual words, we can say liability means amount payable by the business for credit purchase of goods or assets, or amount payable for borrowed money is known as liability. Again, amount payable by business for credit purchase of goods or asset. Now what do we mean by credit purchase? What do we mean by credit purchase? See, there are two words. One is cash, another is credit. Now here take care. Credit means in normal language, udhar. Yes, in normal language. આપણે કોઈ પાસેથી ઉછી ના લઈએ. If we borrowed, that is known as credit. Okay? So credit purchase means when we are purchasing goods or services, but we are not paying amount of it. We are purchasing goods or services, but we are not paying amount of it. Such transaction is known as credit transaction. Two matters. Take care. Suppose you are going to a grocery shop nearby your house. તમારા ઘરની આજુબાજુમાં જ છે, ઓળખે છે સારી રીતના પેરેન્ટ્સને. Since long you are having good relations with them. You go there, purchase some grocery items. The bill is 400 rupees. Now you forgot to take money with you. So you said, "Arako hamana paisa le aao." The shop owner, who is very much familiar with you people, with your family, normally what do you think? What he replied? अरे बेटा ले जाओ, वांधो नहीं, पैसा પછી આપી દો, ધક્કો ન ખાઓ. Obviously, it is his reply. In that case, it is a credit transaction. Why? Because you purchase goods, but you have not paid the amount. The payment of cash is postponed on future. તમે આજે પરચેસ કર્યું, ફ્યુચરમાં પેમેન્ટ કરી દેશો. That is credit transaction. And what do you mean by cash transaction? Very, very simple. You are purchasing groceries, the bill is 400, you are paying amount, that is cash transaction. Okay? In second chapter, it's very, very important. And overall in accountancy, what is credit transaction? What is cash transaction? Very important topic and very easy too. But later on we will discuss in detail. Don't worry. Okay? અત્યારે તો when we are purchasing something, goods or services on credit when we are using this word means we are postponing payment in future, payment on future date. Okay, so when we are purchasing goods or services on credit, the amount payable is known as liability. The amount આપણી જવાબદારી થઈ જાય છે, liabilities. At the same time, if we borrowed money from someone, let's say from bank or if from any business associates or any financial institutes, one word nowadays very famous, that is NBFC. Just for your knowledge only, word is NBFC. So this kind of things are not given in the textbook. Over here, we used to give you so many such things which is not there in textbook, and that's the add-on value that enhances your knowledge. Okay, NBFC. What is it? What is the full form of this? Nowadays it's very famous. That is non-banking financial companies. Non-banking financial companies. Okay? Suppose, let me give you an example. Very, very simple. Suppose you are going to purchase a fridge or TV. And over there, they offered, sir, if you want to purchase by cash, it's okay. Or you can get 0% loan from Bajaj Finance, or from Mass Financial Services, or from Muthoot Finance. These all are the well-known names. These are non-banking financial companies, NBFC. So what I wanted to say, if you take loan from NBFC, if you borrowed amount from any of the bank, if you borrowed amount from any of the business person, at that time you have to repay that amount. So that amount which you borrowed is also known as liabilities. Is it okay? Sure. Let me remove this NBFC, or else sometimes you may get confused between the word liability and NBFC. So here, liabilities, for the last time, very quickly, what do we mean by liability? When we purchase goods or services on credit, the amount payable to that party is known as liability. Or when we borrowed money from any of the person or party, that borrowed money is a liability for the business. Here please take care, when we are running account, always we are talking about business firms only. Okay? We are not talking about our personal. We are going to talk about business only. That is one of the main portion, I can say, the heart and mind of commerce. Yes, everywhere we used to talk for business and everything. World business, international business. See, we used to hear every now and then that USA put ban on some Chinese goods, or we should boycott some particular country's goods. It affects business if other countries are leaving or boycotting a particular country's goods. Say Chinese goods have been to boycott. In that case, India may get benefit. This kind of news we used to hear in newspaper, we used to read in newspaper, news channels everywhere. When we are talking about news and everything, apart from this, we are continuing this, but a small suggestion, not a request, a suggestion. I am not giving an order. I can, but compulsory काम कोई दिवस ना था. Okay? So better option to listen this carefully and try to apply if you are not having that habit. What is it? To read physically newspaper. I'm going to explain you what is physical newspaper. To read physical newspaper at least half an hour a day, at any time you want. See, you may say, sir, in the morning we have to go to school, and you are saying to read newspaper. I'm not saying that you wake up early and read newspaper and then come to school. Before you go to bed today night, say you go to bed at 11:30 suppose, before that you must go through newspaper on a daily basis. At least half an hour. Why is it so? And physical newspaper. What do we mean by physical newspaper? Physical newspaper, in Kathiawadi language, chapu, akhbar. Some odd words, but yes. So many people used to say, sir, I am having app, toy. Toy? Yes. Times of India. Good. But I personally suggest to go through physical newspaper every day, half an hour. Specifically, I'm not saying that you should read political news or you should read financial news. Why? Because you are the student of commerce. No. You can go with, say, film industry's news, sports industry's news. Wherever you are having some interest, go through it in depth. Suppose you are a boy and having interest in sports. Go through sports page thoroughly, and the remaining pages just headlines and everything. If you are interested in film industries, go through that news thoroughly, and then the remaining things. See, you feel surprised. In commerce, as I say in previous lecture also, you can live, you can breathe commerce. Commerce ne tame swasma, you can feel. Because every now and then, in each and every matter, you will find commerce. Film industry, when you are reading the news, see, you can find contradictory news and it will funny also. Front page ઉપર લખેલું હોય, in India, poverty increases. In India, poverty increases due to so and so reason. India's GDP, gross domestic product, GDP rate goes down. People are suffering from unemployment. There are so many problems. And inside the newspaper, in one box, a news you can come to know that this movie did a turnover of 100 crore within 10 days. Now, if you are taking proper interest, you can correlate both the news. On one side, I am saying people are suffering from poverty and unemployment. Manso paase paisa nathi. And on other side, I am saying, I am in the newspaper, and they are not lying. They both are correct on their own way. On other side, they are saying people are spending 100 crore in 10 days for entertainment in theaters. Though they are having all the facilities at home also. Big TV screens and DVD facilities and all different superb channels and etc. Still they are paying more than 100 crore for ticketing business only. Please. Jojo, commerce કેટલું આગળ વધે છે. 100 crore is the ticket turnover. Yes. What about that popcorns and cold drinks? What about the parking charges? What about the fuel they spent from home to theater? So many things. So let's say additional 20 crore they paid on it. Can you imagine that in 10 days people are spending 120 crores to watch a particular movie? And is there only one movie across India? No, there are so many movies going on. So if you just imagine the total, on one side they are saying we are poor. And on the other side, we are spending huge amount of entertainment. Yes, that is commerce. You feel surprised. How is it related with commerce? Commerce is always related with money. Commerce is always related with money. So here, in this example, we can say we cannot plan our money properly. Means distribution of income is totally unequal. Majority of the people, majority of the population may be suffering from one or other problem like poverty and unemployment and etc. etc. And very few portion having huge income. That is distribution of income in unequal basis. Okay? Income inequalities we can say. What I wanted to say. Whenever money is there, always commerce is a part of it. And without money, it's almost impossible to even think anything. So, whenever you are purchasing anything on credit, for business we are talking, mind well. Whenever we are purchasing anything on credit, goods, services, the amount payable on future date, that amount is known as liabilities. Is it okay? At the same time, if we borrowed anything, again the payable amount is known as liability. Now these two. On the basis of relation, on the basis of time frame. Let's understand this first. On the basis of relation. On the basis of relation, we have two parts. Internal and external. What do we mean by internal liabilities? What do we mean by internal liabilities? That's why I write this. Towards owners. See, very interestingly. I think you got my points now. If not, can rewind. This is a facility you can have in online platform. In offline, one-to-one live lectures, you can't rewind the lectures. For you only specifically. At the most you can ask a question by raising your hand. But you cannot rewind. Just try to imagine, it's a funny thing that the entire class is sitting. I am explaining something. And after 5 minutes, you just raise your hand digitally. Anything is possible in future. Just try to have some imagination power. Imagine karo maja aapse. The entire class, say 40-45 students are sitting very silently, peacefully, learning the concepts of liabilities, and this is very good. Now, one of them, let's assume you, everyone, તમે દરેક તમારી self નહીં assume કરજો. One of them may have some different thoughts in mind, so not having proper concentration in the concepts. A good student, yes, we are talking about school, you people. So a good student, achanak, after 5-10 minutes, he or she may believe that I should revise the concept. They did something, and Darpan sir again go into past 10 minutes and explaining all these things again in live lectures. I think, is it possible? No. So there is a minus point. There is a minus point. After an hour also, or maybe possible if you are absent, the entire concept gone. At the most you can ask a question related to this, but naturally, due to any reason, due to illness or some function or something like that, if you are absent for 3-4 days, naturally, no one is going to repeat entire 4-5 days lectures. It may be 20-25 lectures. It's not possible for any Tom, Dick and Harry to repeat the entire one. But over here, if you are absent for a day, next day you can have all the lectures in your tablet, in your laptop, in your PC. You can go through all the lectures and can clear the concept. So try to take maximum advantage of this online platform. On the ways of relation, internal, external, towards honors. Listen carefully. Here, as I said, when we are talking about anything, we are talking about business. We are talking about business. Jojo, both सरस concept है and it's very important. Very important. After studying 3-4 years for commerce, ઘણા માણસોને ખબર નથી પડતી કે what is this concept, what actually the concept is. પાસ થઈ જાય છે having bookish knowledge, getting marks, having bookish knowledge and getting marks. But when the reality comes, they fail. કારણ કે રિયાલિટીમાં બુક્સ નથી આવતી. બરાબર? ઘણી બધી વખત સાંભળેલો બહુ કોમન કહેવાય કોઈ મજાક છે કે a doctor cannot say ઓપરેશન વખતે ઓપરેટ કરીને ડોક્ટર એમ નથી કહી શકતા કે this topic I leave it in option. બધું ખોલીને બેઠા અને પછી એમ કે આ તો મેં ઓપ્શનમાં કાઢ્યું. I don't know this, how to operate. માણસ ઓપ્શનમાં નીકળી જાય. Okay? So take care. We do not have any option in practical theory. Whenever we are talking about business, always consider, yes, always consider yourself means honor different than business. Means honor and business are two different sides in a transaction. Honor is on one side, business is on another side. That's why when honor invests in business, मतलब honor पासेથી business માં જાય છે capital, તો naturally honor and business બે separate જ હોય, but obvious. Okay, so that's why I write over here towards honors. Means honor જે business માં invest કર્યું છે, for business it is known as internal liability. Internal, ઘરની જ વાત છે, અંદરો અંદર સમજવાનું છે. બરાબર? Internal liability towards honors. Indirectly we can write the word capital. Okay? That is internal liability. External, when business borrowed some amount or the amount payable to outsiders is known as external liabilities. બહારના external, the word itself suggests બહારના વ્યક્તિઓને જ્યારે પેમેન્ટ કરવાનો થાય છે, it is known as external liabilities. Clear? On the basis of time frame, again to current and non-current. Current liabilities, what do we mean by that? Very simple. Less than 1 year means, suppose when we are purchasing goods from someone on credit, means payment કર્યું નથી, it is a liability for us. But you are a mature one, you can easily understand. આપણે કદાચ કોઈ પાસેથી grocery shop or anywhere, if we purchase, we are going to pay the amount in 10 days, 15 days, 1 month or so. A suggestion: if you are from a business family, means if your parents are doing a business, try to talk with them now onwards. અત્યાર સુધી I don't know. હવે કદાચ કોઈ પણ મેટર હોય તો try to talk with them. You can bindas ask, "Hey Papa, our sir is saying that we used to pay our liabilities, normal liabilities, within a month or 2 months, which is known as credit period. Is it true?" See, even parents are also going to reply you very nicely when you are saying કે આ અમારે ભણવામાં આવે છે, it is a part of our study. Parents also likes it very much. Today they are taking guidance from me about business, about study. So it's a right decision to take commerce. They also feel good. They appreciate. And not wrongly. Okay? So normally in business they are having 1, 2, 3 months credit period. No one is going to pay their amount after 2 years. Normally 45 days, 60 days means 1.5 months or 2 months credit period is there. Less than 1 year. If the amount payable is of less than 1 year, it is known as current liability. Okay? It is always for short term. And when amount payable is for more than 1 year, can you give me any example of this? More than 1 year ma payment karvanu hoy, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. Every amount koi hoy khari? Yes. Suppose for construction of a building of our factory, we took a loan from bank. We took a loan from bank. Naturally, that amount we are going to pay within the time of say 5 years or 10 years. Normally, loans are always for long term. Normally, exceptionally you can take short term loan. But short term loan normally businessmen are not taking. Instead of that, they always prefer bank overdraft or cash credit. Again, two new words, bank overdraft, cash credit. Try to concentrate in lecture, please. Because in every lecture of accounts, you will find something new which is not given in the textbook. And it will be very much beneficial to you people. Okay? What is bank overdraft? What is cash credit? We will discuss later on. But these both are normally for short term. Clear? So, whenever long-term loans we take from the business, from the bank, for the business, that is considered as non-current liability, long-term liability. Because it will be payable from after 2 years, 5 years, 10 years in installments. So, the payable amount, the time period of it is greater than 1 year. So, on the basis of time frame, you have to remember only two things. One, within the year, less than 1 year, or more than 1 year. Okay? This is the entire scenario of liability. In textbook, they give this concept with so many different topics. One, liability. Second, internal liability. Third, external liability. Current liability. Non-current liability. They give each and every differently. So many times it happens that we discuss one topic and we may clear 3 or 4 terminologies. Yes, over here the liability is given on page number 12 as 5th topic. This is 5th topic. Then 6th topic is internal and external. Then 7th topic is current and non-current. So by discussing all this, we cleared 3 topics. 3 topics. One left still, event, second terminology. But that we'll discuss when it is needed. So overall 3, then 4th, liability. 5th, we completed internal and external liabilities. 6th, current and non-current liabilities. Okay? So overall we completed 6 terminologies. And at last, liabilities means payable amount to internal or external, but payable amount for what? Purchasing goods or service on credit or borrowed amount. This is for goods, service on credit or borrowed money. Okay? The amount payable to other parties known as liability. Internal amount payable to owners, normally capital. At the end of the business, we have to pay back. કારણ કે ઓનરે બિઝનેસ ને આપી હોય તો બિઝનેસ ઓનર ને પાછી આપવી પડે. ઓકે? External towards outsiders. Naturally, outsiders are going to demand for money. Time basis upar. See, these two are not different. Right? Maybe current and this one is same. Maybe not current and this one is same. Okay? એટલે બંને ડિફરન્ટ છે સારું એવું માનતા રહે. This is a separate classification. This is a separate classification. Clear? So, current liability, the amount payable within the year. Okay? Less than 1 year. Short-term liabilities. This is long-term. In this, normally loans are there. In this, credit purchase of goods or services, because we used to pay by 3 months, 2 months, somewhat like that, less than 1 year. Is that clear? Everything is given in book also. You can go through it properly. If you have any doubt, just do tick mark that in liabilities we are not still feeling comfortable, or in external liabilities we are not comfortable. Whatever it may be, you can have tick marks in your book. You can underline it with pencil. Do take care, and can definitely ask me when we meet personally, or if needed, you can definitely call me on 9426785710. પણ કોલ ત્યાં સુધી જ કરવાનો છે જ્યાં સુધી we will not meet personally. Once we are going to meet personally, you can solve the doubt, every doubt, in one-to-one way. Okay? So live lectures are always beneficial. Here it is one way. But again, the benefit of this lecture online platform is you can rewind, you can play, you can get the concept twice, thrice, 4, whichever the times you may feel that for 10 times I would like to go through the lectures. You can. This is the advantage you can have in this online platform. Okay? Every coin has two sides. Every coin. So all the things are having advantage and disadvantage. It depends on the person that whether to look positive and grab the opportunity of advantages, or just to have a negative attitude અને આખો દિવસ રોયા જ કરવું. I am having this kind of problem and I am having this kind of problem and so on. But mind well, no one is going to stop for you. So you have to step up, you have to move forward, you have to do a journey along with us to develop yourself. Clear? You are a student of commerce. Try to get maximum advantage of each and everything possible from your end. From each and everything. Liability, do take very care of this. Transactions, clear the concept. Capital, owner to business. Drawings, business to owners. Try to explain these things to your younger one. Try to discuss these things with your family members. Even they can also put focus on it. Okay? So many things you can go through. So many things. But the important thing is capital, drawings, you must discuss with your friends, your family members. Liability, you can learn it and then you can express in your own words. You can express in your own words. With example, I gave you the example of grocery shop. It's a live example. Okay, you may feel that sir, I never had been to a grocery shop. Normally it is done by my parents or so on. Or you can say, sir, we used to call our grocery shop owner. We are sending a WhatsApp list and he is sending everything. But you ask your parents, na, just પૂછો તો ખરા કે પપ્પા આપણે કોઈ દિવસ ક્રેડિટ ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન કરીએ છીએ? If he is saying yes, liability becomes very easy thing for you to understand with live examples. Okay? What is cash transaction? You go to a petrol pump. એક્ટિવામાં પેટ્રોલ ફિલ કરાવ્યું. પેટ્રોલ પંપ વાળાને આપણે નથી કહેતા 4 દિવસ પછી પૈસા આપી જઈશ. I'll pay after 4 days. No, you have to pay on the spot. That is cash transaction. Cash transaction. When we are paying cash on the spot for the transaction, it is cash transaction. Credit transaction, the payment is postponed on future date. A darekna practical live example is there in everyone's place. Badana garma avu bantu જ હોય. The only problem is we are not looking with that perspective. આપણે એ અંદાજથી આપણે એ નજરથી જોતા જ નથી. The only problem is that. હવેથી એ રીતે જોવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કરો. Now try to have commerce knowledge from each and everything happen at your home. And yes, I can give you a challenge that whatever is happening at your home, at my home, somewhere, somehow, one of the subject of commerce is related. Either management or economics or statistics or even accounts. One of the subject of commerce is always related with anything happened at our home, not your. Whether it's my home, whether it's your home, જે કંઈ પણ બને છે, commerce is related with it. And when you are a part of this stream, always try to capitalize, try to get maximum benefit out of it. Every time you feel that, sir, do you think, if you ask, do you think every time we should study? See, don't consider it as a study. ભણો છો એવું ના માનો. Normal. If you go to a grocery shop, you are not going to tell them about liabilities, about credit transaction. You just do a transaction. While returning or while coming back to home or after coming back to home, you just think that which kind of transaction, cash or credit. On the spot, your heart says, if you paid cash, it says cash transaction. If you paid credit, it says, if you paid credit means, if you are not paid, and postponed it on future, it says credit transaction. Automatically, you learn this. Okay? So, try to have that concept in each and everything happen at your home. And definitely you will love this stream, you will love this subject. And when you love some subject, you never feel it's a burden to learn this. એને શીખવાનું આપણા માટે troublesome ના બને, burden ના બને. It will not become a liability for you, it becomes an asset for you. Okay, asset, આપણે જ્યારે વર્ડ બોલીએ છીએ, obviously we are going to discuss assets in our next session. Till then, stay happy and try to learn the entire concept.